So here we have a very interesting question. As you can see, 15 divided by root 10 plus root 20 plus root 40 minus root 5 minus root 80. So the solution of this is coming up. Please follow me. Alright, we have to see to it that this is rearranged. Got it? So root 10 will remain the same. For root 20 we write 4 into 5. For 40 we write 4 into 10. 5 will be same, but for 80 we write root 16 multiplied by 5. Got it, children? So here the next step would be to bring out 2 of this, 2 square and 4 square. Got it, children? So here we have 15. Okay, and below what we have is root 10 plus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 10 minus root 5 minus 4 root 5. Clear? After this, we'll have to simplify this. Thus, we have 10 here and 10 here too. So 1 10 and 2. So ultimately we have 15 upon 3 root 10, and what about this? 5, 2 here, and we have 5 of negative root 5, which means we can also write as minus 3 root 5. Got it? So having written that, we can go to the next step conveniently about pulling out 3. So root 10 minus root 5. Clear, guys? So the next step would be to make this even more lighter, which is cancelling 15 by 3 5 times. Clear? So here when we write 5 upon root 10 minus root 5. Clear? Conjugate of this would be positive root 10 plus 5. Root 10 plus root 5. We are trying to rationalize the denominator. Clear? So having done that, we'll get 5 root 10 plus root 5, and below we have root 10 whole square and root 5 whole square, which means a minus b, a plus b is a square plus b square. Next we have is 5 root 10 plus root 5, and here we have 10 minus 5. Clear? Which means that we have 5 root 10 plus root 5, and 5 here gets cancelled. The value of 10 root is 3.162, whereas the value of root 5 is 2.23. 5.36. Having added this, we get 5.398. Alright kids, so here we go. This is how it is. I hope it is clear. In case you have still any doubts, please do ask me in the comment section. And if you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching kids. Have a great day. Bye-bye.